guys, this is Kaizen. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna build a keyboard. Technically, this channel is about art, and now I'm shifting to tech because I'm doing the thing where you just do everything and you just see which one clicks because the algorithm sucks. But yeah, we're gonna build a keyboard today. So I'm not a professional keyboard enthusiast, but I do love painting keyboards, and I really do. And I know how to solder. And mostly keyboard enthusiasts just buy hot swappable sockets and everything. But me, I like to make my own keyboards. I made this from scratch, like everything. I soldered it myself. The chassis is 3D printed, and I wired this myself and programmed it. It's a very clicky. I think this is green switches with browns on the top. So yeah, I also made that keyboard, and I'm also building another split keyboard, but this time wireless, because see, it's only wireless, it's like a prototype. But see, I'm soldering it. So yeah, I like doing that, but these are not hot swappable, because they're permanent solutions. So I'm gonna try to actually build keyboard, even though I want to build it from scratch to where I would just make my own PCB. I don't know how to do that, so I just built a pre-built keyboard, which is the Royal Kludge Rk87. But I will show you my current keyboard right now. I love my keyboard, I really do. I'm obsessed with this keyboard. This is the KDA Edition G Pro. Yeah, Logitech G Pro. What is it? 10 kilos. I love this keyboard. This is Kali Brown switches, blah blah blah. It's out of macros and everything. RGB. I just set it to blue because KDA. But yeah, I really love this keyboard, but it has to retire after serving me for 3 months. It's not broken. It's not. It's perfectly fine. It's almost new. It's just that I want this displayed in my living room instead than being my daily driver, being my oil crumbs and Cheeto dust thing. I don't want it to be, dirty. So yeah, I want to protect my lovely KDA edition Logitech G Pro. So this is the thing. We're gonna be modding. Let's be honest here. I don't want this keyboard, honestly, because it's cheap. So I'm kind of sus about this keyboard, but I saw a lot of reviews saying it's a really great keyboard and it's wireless. And for its price, it's kind of sus. So let's see how it works. I guess this is an Rk87, 10 kilos, almost the same as my KDA. Not gonna lie, it's very heavy. It's wow. Ooh, feels legit. Damn. Yeah, it's a very heavy keyboard. Oh, it's heavier than my G Pro. Wow. And it's maybe because it's hot swappable. This is only 2,700. Rk87, 2,700. That is, wow, bang for a budget build. Hot swappable, and it's wireless. It's very fantastic, not gonna lie. Because this G Pro cost me 8,000 pesos, believe it or not, because it has to be shipped here, because it's not available here locally. And it's not wireless, and it's also not hot swappable. I think the only thing that made this expensive is because KDA is there, and it's a Logitech brand, and that's it. It's RGB, but it has light sync in that feature in KDA. But yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, guys, but it's very clicky because it is low switches. I don't like it, but feels. Not gonna lie, it feels nice. It feels. Huh. Let me see my spacebar if it's working. This feels funky. Well, duh. This also feels nice. I don't know if you can hear it with my mic. I don't think so. But yeah, let's see. Okay, let's turn it on. I saw in the reviews that you turn this switch on because there's 2 switches, one for Bluetooth and the thing. Let's see if it turns. Oh, it turns on. Oh, it's pretty. Really? What is this? But blinking pink or something. It probably means something. But oh, witty. Witty is. Ah, I like the RGB. Like, look at that. Oof. It's a beautiful keyboard. Damn. Okay, so we're gonna switch the keycaps and everything with this. I have something here. An extra Rk87 top plate, which spray bombed, painted with Krylon navy blue. I don't know what color is this, but something like that. This has to be. It has to go there because the keycaps are Acco neon keycaps. This is not a from budget-friendly build. Not too. This is very expensive. It cost me 7,000 pesos to build. Probably could build this, but but some parts haven't arrived yet. But that's the next video. So yeah, with this switches and with this keycaps and with this switches Acco silvers, because they say it's good for gamers, and I am technically a gamer because I do play games and make games for art for games, but I rarely game because of work. But let's see this one if it tops it up, because I'm a brown switch enthusiast. Kali Browns and my old keyboards were MX Cherry Browns, so because I like the tactility, not the clicky keyboard that when you're on a Discord call you can hear their fudging keyboard. But yeah, there's that. There's the switches, and then I bought some Aviator coil keyboard coils, Macau color. I forgot to tell them neon. Dumb. But I think this will do. So yeah, let's stop here, and I would fast forward of removing all of the keycaps, because that's gonna take time. So see you guys in a bit. Here it is, and screwed everything, and it's up like that. This is the PCB and the metal plate. I don't know what plate is this called, but that plate. Here's the back. Put a Tempest mod, tape mod, which is painter's tape. I also have magic tape, Scotch magic tape. I do use this a lot more. So hi guys, we're back. I'm lubing now the switches. This is the Acco Silver. Acco Silver switches, like, ta-da. So that's gonna be the switches in the motherboard, the keyboard. This is gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna do keyboard magic. Blah! Okay, now we're gonna put the switches after I lube them all. It's a very tedious process, not gonna lie. So this is hot swap, so I could just... Actually, I don't know this is only 45, and I'm planning maybe some of the things would be reds, because I do have reds. I have reds. Ooh. Yes. Okay, why this won't fit, but I'll pretty much figure it out later, but right now I'll just put them. Okay, now we're done putting all of the silver switches. I do want to put different switches on it. So we have a lot of the stock blues, and I also have here some. I have some browns. I don't know if they fit. Do they fit? Yeah, they have LEDs on them. I have some reds here. I think there's only like 10 of them. Wait, let me pull them out. I do love some wids. And I also have some blacks too. And we're done! We're gonna test it out now. Yeah. Turn it on. Oh, turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. I don't have nails. So the keyboard's working. Time to put some editing magic to the test and keycaps on, and there you go, guys. Did some little testing, test out the lights, and pretty much that's it. I will see you guys next time. I really had fun with this build and little mods. I don't know if I captured the sound right, but this is the sound test, and I hope you guys liked it. See you guys next time.